Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change band strap on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Let's get started. So as a first step, I'll show you how to remove those bands. And for that, we would need to take a look on the back side of our watch. Here you'd be able to see these two buttons on each side of the strap. So to remove them, we would need to hold one of the buttons with our nail and then slowly pull the band. Let me show you how it looks. I'm clicking on this button with my nail, and the band easily comes out. Let me show you on the second side also. And this is it. Now let me show you how to attach them back, because unfortunately I don't have any extra bands to change. So now let me show you how to put the bands back on. For that, we would need to hold the same button that we have clicked on before and then slowly put the band on its place. As you can see, it has this little metal part in the middle, which we will need to fit in this hole on the center. So let me show you how it looks. I'm holding the button with my nail and slowly putting the band on the center like this. And now we can stop holding the button and you can see that the band is fixed properly. Now let me show you how to do it on the second side also. So I'm holding the button with my nail and slowly putting this band on its place. Just like this. Then we can stop holding the button and the band is fixed. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.